You may or may not know this. In Australia, the number of kangaroos is 3 times higher than the number of residents living there. The quality of their meat is truly beyond words to describe. As an invasive species, hunting them not only reduces the damage they cause, but also enhances the food industry. How can we make this happen? Right now, let's join me on a journey to explore the symbol of Australia. The growth and reproductive process of kangaroos is truly a natural wonder that many find both intriguing and fascinating. After birth, kangaroos develop from tiny joeys inside their mother's pouch. The young joey continues to grow and mature in its mother's pouch for about 8 to 9 months, receiving essential care and nutrition. Kangaroo life usually revolves around daytime activities, and they prefer resting in shady areas. Therefore, when hunting kangaroos, people often do so at night when the animals are less alert to their surroundings. After hunting kangaroos, hunters typically cut off the tail as proof to verify the number hunted. This is a requirement by the Australian government to control and monitor kangaroo hunting activities, ensuring that the number hunted stays within allowable limits to prevent harm to the species population. At the processing plant, the meat undergoes quality inspections, including assessments of appearance, color, and freshness. Only the highest quality meat that meets stringent standards proceeds to the processing stage. Kangaroo meat is packaged and stored under ideal conditions to keep it fresh and sustainable. The packaging typically consists of vacuum-sealed bags or secure containers, ensuring a tight seal and protection from bacterial contamination. Finally, tons of kangaroo meat are transported from the factory to retail locations or major distributors worldwide. In addition to using kangaroo meat, their leather is also highly useful in daily life. Items made from kangaroo leather are quite popular worldwide for their durability and aesthetic appeal. So, we've journeyed together to the end of our exploration of this fascinating animal and how to restore balance to Australia's ecosystem. See you on our next adventure. Thank you. Deep within the bamboo forests, nestled in caves 2 to 3 meters deep, there lives a creature that spends its days nibbling on delicious bamboo. But how did they become a delicacy on dining tables in China? Is there a special reason that makes them so appealing? How does China breed thousands of bamboo rats, achieving an annual output of 2.5 million? Right now, let's uncover why people go to such great lengths to hunt down this bamboo rat. After capturing the plump, healthy bamboo rats for breeding, farmers release them into enclosed pens. Each bamboo rat family is housed in its own pen, with each pen spacious enough to allow them room to move around comfortably. To care for the young bamboo rats, farmers typically grind bamboo into a fine powder and mix it with cereal powder and soft plants. This mixture is then divided and placed into each pen for feeding. In the adult stage, from 16 weeks onward, bamboo rats need a fiber-rich diet to maintain their health, and bamboo shoots are their favorite food. The hard bamboo stems help bamboo rats grind their teeth, keeping them sharp and preventing overgrowth. The minerals in bamboo also support bone and muscle development, which is especially beneficial for adult rats. Only healthy rats, showing no signs of illness, are selected for harvest. Considered a delicacy and highly sought after, many are willing to pay a premium for bamboo rats, though they're not always readily available on the market. Adapted to cooler temperatures, these isolated farms deep in the mountains pose an added barrier for consumers seeking this special delicacy. There are many ways to prepare this animal as a dish. The most popular method is grilled bamboo rat, typically marinated with spices like garlic, chili, lemongrass, and fish sauce. And so our journey exploring this fascinating creature comes to an end. From its wild lifestyle and rapid reproduction to its high nutritional value in specialty dishes, the bamboo rat offers many interesting and beneficial aspects. Feel free to share your thoughts about this remarkable animal. Goodbye, and see you on our next adventure.